In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the AC contactor on the MIRA 9S. Before starting, make sure the machine is powered off and unplugged from the power outlet. Open this side panel and you will be able to see the AC contactor. The AC contactor is located here. Before removing it, make sure to remember the number corresponding to each U-shaped terminal connector. This will ensure that everything is connected correctly during installation. Next, use a screwdriver to remove the terminals one by one. And then disconnect the terminals here. After that, use an Allen wrench to remove the screw here and the screw at the top. Once these screws are removed, the entire AC contactor can be taken out. Our after-sales team will provide you with a new AC contactor. Now let's install the new one. Position the new AC contactor in place and reinstall the screws that were removed earlier. Tighten them securely using the Allen wrench, including this screw here. Next, reconnect the U-shaped terminal connectors one by one. The installation is very simple. Insert each U-shaped terminal block into place and tighten the corresponding screw. The only important thing to pay attention to is making sure that each numbered terminal is connected to its matching slot. Once all the terminals have been reconnected, the installation is complete. Finally, reinstall the side panel and the replacement procedure is finished.